This is 190 liter LG single door refrigerator. This is coming with a smart inverter compressor type. LG India is giving some 10 years warranty, and it is 3-star, more power saving, and this is fastest ice making. It will make 197 unit per year. And see this inside, you can see here deep freezer, this one, and here ice coming, and coming solid ice. This is the knob, you can change settings. Now it is at 1, you can switch off also, and this is light even. This is tray for keeping fruits, vegetables. Here 2 shelves are coming. Bottom also you can keep one box is there. Vegetables you can keep on this. And here this side you can see here egg. For egg it is not given. Okay, this is the key provided. You can lock it. It will not open. It can open. Okay. You see the model number D201ASAW ASAJDBN, and back side you can see this is cooling coil, and this now fridge is running. Still it is not giving any sound, very silent, and this is a stand provided. Okay. Here also one more basket is there. You can keep potato, onions, whatever not required to keep inside freezer, you can place it.